Hi, in this video we're going to find a length on a prism in this kind of 3D shape. It's a prism. And we want to find specifically the length of AB, which is here. That's the length of AB. Now, how do we do that? Well, it might be helpful to just focus on one of this face, this cross-section of the prism here, which we can see is a trapezium. And in fact, let's just draw it out. So we got this cross-section here, which is the trapezium. I'm going to draw it out. Okay, right, so this is COAB. And we know quite a lot of lengths. We know this is 15 down here. We know this is 14. And we know, well, if this is 17 here, that's also going to be 17 as well, isn't it? So we can put 17 as BC. And we want to try and find AB, which is here. Let's call it X. We're trying to find the value of X. Now, what we could do is we could split this to form a right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle here. And then what I can do is, well, I just note, for example, that if this the 15 here is the same as this length here. And then we can use Pythagoras on that purple triangle. So remember how Pythagoras works. If you label the two shorter lengths of this triangle as A and B, either way around, and then the hypotenuse, the longest length, is C, then by Pythagoras theorem, A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. That's Pythagoras theorem. Now, A, we don't know what it is. Let's just call it Y for the moment. So we can do Y squared plus B squared. Well, B is 15, so 15 squared is equal to C squared. Now C is 17, like that. And then if we just subtract the 15 squared and then square root to get rid of the squared, you get this. So if I do that on my calculator, square root of 17 squared minus 15 squared is equal to 8. So it's a nice number. So we know, therefore, that this length here is 8. And because we know that this total height here is 14, it's the 14 in this diagram, the 14 here, we can do 14 minus the 8 to get this length here, which is 6. So this length here is 6, which is the same as the length over here. That's also 6. And that's the length we wanted. That's the X. So this length here is XAB, and that is the final answer.